PC Express. Of course we do online grocery delivery and pickup.
We're PC Express. Of course we save you time and money.
We're PC Express. Of course we'll give you $30 in points plus 3 months free delivery and pickup.
Click or tap the banner to learn more.
Eastside Mario's has daily deals like $19.99 Chicken Paw Mondays, off, $2 Tuesdays for kids, $19.99 all you can eat pasta Wednesdays, and Thursdays $50 dinner for two. Conditions apply. See us open details. What a thing!
Cats have a funny way of telling you what they want. Like when they jump on your keyboard, they're telling you to visit catit.ca. Catit's got everything your cat could need, from nutritious foods and treats to the new Pixie Smart product line, inspired by our adorable office cat, Pixie. So the next time your cat